Welcome my dear students. Today's our topic is profitability index. Profitability index is also a discounted cash flow method of evaluating investment proposal. Actually, PI is also similar to NPV method. NPV method is based on the difference between present value of cash inflows and the present value of cash outflows. But NPV is not dependable to evaluate the project requiring unequal initial investments. PI method provides the solution to this problem. At the end of this video, we will discuss about the difference between NPV results as well as PI results. Basically, profitability index is the ratio of present value of cash inflows at the required rate of return to initial cash outflow of investment proposal. PI measures the present value of future cash flows per rupee of investment. For calculating profitability index, we are using the following formula, that is PI is equals to present value of cash inflows divided by present value of cash outflows. Coming to the decision rule, if calculated PI is greater than 1, the project will be accepted. Similarly, if the PI value is less than 1, the project will be rejected. We already discussed that PI is similar to NPV method. So the calculation procedure also it look like a NPV method. Just we are taking a years as 1, 2, 3, 4. Cash inflows are given in the problem 40,000, 30,000, 50,000, 20,000. PV factors at 10% we are taking from the table values, that is 0.909, 0.826, 0.751, 0.683. For calculating present values, you just multiply cash inflows with PV factor value, that is 40,000 into 0.909. The present value of first year is 36,360. Likewise, second year, third year, fourth year. At the end of the problem, we cumulate the present values, that is total PV of cash inflows are 1,12,350. So coming to the formula for PI, the formula is present value of cash inflows divided by present value of cash outflows. The present value of cash inflows are 1,12,350, that is calculated value, and the present value of cash outflows, it is already given in the problem, initial cash outlay 1 lakh. So substitute into the formula, the calculated value is 1.12. It is greater than the 1, so the project will be accepted.